Hello everyone, Teacher Redea here once again, and welcome to our second video. Today's topic, why do shadows change during the day? For our reference, go over to your textbook from page 95 until 98. Today's topic, we've got two objectives. Number 1, explain why shadows change during the day, and number 2, explain what causes day and night. So let us go over from the first video. We talked there about shadows. So a shadow is an area that is dark because light does not reach it. Shadows form because an object blocks the light. Shadows are places where light is blocked. Same thing here, what is going on with this illustration. The sun here is our light source, and the tree here is our object, and the dark portion here is the shadow. So this shadow is formed because the rays of light cannot pass through, cannot reach this area because something is blocking its way. The object here blocks the rays of light. That is why we have shadow here. Okay, so now let's talk about why do shadows change during the day. But before that, I want you to observe this short video and be particular with the length of the shadow that the post is making from 9:45 in the morning until 2:15 in the afternoon. So let's watch this one. So the shadow is here. This is the length of the shadow. So look at that. Atoms move until here. The shadow is here now. So where would the sun be moving as the shadow of the pole moves? So the shadow is here. The length of the shadow is here. Look at that as it changes in the whole day. So now I do hope that you've got an idea why the shadow change during the day. Okay. So but before we go farther, I want you to take a look at this. I know all of you knows what is this one is all about. So this is the planet Earth, where living things like us lives. So Earth is a planet where we live. As you can see that it is moving around. And it is moving where? You see this straight line in here, right? That is what we call axis. It takes complete rotation in 24 hours or 1 day. So rotation refers to the spinning around on its imaginary axis. So this is what we call the movement of the Earth on its imaginary axis, that is rotation. Earth spins in west to east direction. So now you've got an idea what Earth is all about and the movement that the Earth makes. Okay, so from this illustration here, from this short clip video, I want you to look at the sun. From morning, it goes noon, and then it will again go down in the afternoon. It looks as if the sun is moving, right? But I want you to take a closer look in this next video. Yes. You can see the Earth and you can see the sun. Now you know that the sun does not move at all. Okay. So now let's again go back to the question. Why shadows change during the day? Because of what? Look at this one. What is moving in here? Is it the earth or the sun? Yes. Here, it is the sun that is moving, but you understand, but you know already that it is not the sun that is actually moving, but it is the earth. So what is the result when the sun seems to move across the sky? So look at this one. From east, the sun moves here noontime until in the afternoon. What happened to the shadow? Very good. The length of the shadow changes because of the movement of the sun across the sky. Very good. So when the sun is low, so the sun is low, low here and low here, you will see that the shadow that it makes is what? Long. See, long shadows here. When the sun is low in the sky, the shadows are long. But look at that. When it reaches in the afternoon, here, when the sun is here, what happens to the shadow? Yes, the shadow is short. So when the sun is high up in the sky, the shadow is short. Now you understand. So what is the question? Why shadows change during the day? Yes, because exactly. So the shadow change during the day because of the movement of the sun across the sky. I want you to look at this one. So what is moving? In reality, what is really moving? Is it the sun or the earth? Yes, the earth is the one moving. So the spinning of the earth allows us to see sunrise and sunset. Sunrise, that is in the morning, and sunset, that is in the afternoon. Look at this one. Sunrise and the sun will set now in the afternoon. Okay, so because of this, we were able to see the sunrise and sunset. But do you know what is the result of the spinning of the earth? So what causes day and night? Look at this one. This is the sun. And this is the earth. Okay, once the earth is spinning, you have to observe this area of the earth that is facing the sun and the part of the earth that is away from the sun. If you are facing the sun, the places that facing the sun can receive the direct heat and the light from the sun. And that is why this part of the earth will have daytime. And the opposite to that is what? The one that is dark. Yes, this one, this part of the earth will have nighttime. So now, boys and girls, what causes day and night? Yes, the spinning of the earth on its imaginary axis causes day and night. Well done. Okay, so before we end our lesson, I want you to be reminded with this point. So why do shadows change during the day? Can you tell me the answer? Because of the movement of sun in the sky. And what causes day and night? The spinning of the earth causes day and night. So that's all for today, guys, and I hope that you will do your homework, because I will be checking your work when we will be coming back, and I'm so excited to see you again. So that's all for today, and God bless everyone. Bye for now.